Hello students, Mr. Rusty is here. Welcome to week 3, day 2. Make sure you have your Meaningmapper, article a day, your book of knowledge, and paper and pencil to write with. Today, we will learn about Prague, the capital of Czech Republic. Let's get started. First, I want you to think of our focus word, city. And when you look at each picture, I want you to think, is this a good example of the word city? So, look at this. Is this a city? Yes, it is a city. There's a lot of people and buildings, so it is a city. How about this one? Is this a city? No, this is not a city. There are no buildings and we don't see a lot of people around, so it's not a city. How about this one? You're right, it is also not a city because the houses are spread very far apart and we don't see a lot of people or buildings. How about this image? You're right, that is a city because there's a lot of tall buildings and lights. Great job, everybody. Let's get started with our article today. Today, we're going to Prague in the Czech Republic. The Czech, pronounced Czech, Republic is a country on the continent of Europe. People in the Czech Republic speak the language Czech. It is similar to the Russian language. The capital of the Czech Republic is Prague, pronounced Prague. It is a very old European city. There are old, beautiful buildings there. One of the most famous buildings has a clock on it. Every hour, the clock sings a song to people standing in the town square. People come from all over the world to watch the clock sing to them. Look at this beautiful clock. It looks like it's on a very old building. One of the most famous Czech dishes is fried cheese. And a dish is a certain kind of food that someone makes and serves to people. In Spanish, we say plato or platillo. So in Czech Republic, one of the most famous dishes they make is fried cheese. And my Dominican friends will be familiar with fried cheese because that is also one of their dishes. People eat it while walking down the old streets. During Christmas time, a winter market is set up in the town square, and lots of people come to buy treats, gifts, and fried cheese. A market is a place where people buy and sell things. In Spanish, we say mercado. So this is a market. People go there to buy and sell things, such as fried cheese. Please take out your book of knowledge. Write down 2 or 3 things you learned from the article and would like to remember. Pause the video and take a moment to do so now. I'm going to go back to my article a day to find evidence of things I can write down in my book of knowledge. The first thing I learned is that the Czech Republic is a country on the continent of Europe. So I'm going to write that down. I learned that the Czech Republic is a country on the continent of Europe. Another thing I learned is that they have a famous clock that sings. I also learned that they have a famous clock that sings. And of course, this makes me think of the fried cheese that they have in the Czech Republic because I love fried cheese. So this makes me think of the fried cheese because I love fried cheese. Lastly, I want you to take out your Meaningmapper. In the middle, we have our focus word city. And a city is a place where a lot of people live with tall buildings and lots of lights. Of course, we've already added those 2 words to our Meaningmapper, lights and building. But what else could we add to our Meaningmapper that is related to the word city? I added the word skyscraper. A skyscraper is like a very tall building, such as Taipei 101 from the previous video. And that's it for me, students. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.